way to lose your head. What a way to get ahead. What a way to lose your head. What a way to lose your head. What a way to lose your head. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Coordinator back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing Lose Your Head by London Grammar. Very easy song. We're going to play it with 4 basic chords. Make sure your guitar's in standard tuning and put your cap on fret number 6. Okay, so the chorus is as follows. We're playing D minor first, to F, C, and then G. Again, it's D minor, to F, to C, to G. And my strum pendant down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up, down. This is the more faster strum, the more consistent actually. Down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. All right, and yeah, that's pretty much the whole song. That's the chorus. Let me do the verse with you. Okay, so the intro is the same as the chorus, which is D minor, F, C, and then E minor instead of G. Okay, so that's pretty much the same for the verse and the chorus. It's the same chords. If you're not familiar with the chords though, you can check out my chord video. It's in the description below. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. Peace.